How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. 88 Rotors Off-Road here with another video today. The first half of this video is going to be on the two most cost-effective lifts you can get for the Tacoma and the Tundra. We're going to start off with this white one here. This one's going to be a white third generation Tacoma that we're installing a 3-inch front strut spacer on, a 1.95-inch rear lift block with extended U-bolts, and we're throwing on some wheels and tires with it. And here's a quick peek over at the 5th generation Toyota 4Runner that we have here. We previously set this one up. Today he's back in for a Gobi rack install. As soon as the Tacoma is up on the rack, our very efficient crew starts removing all of the wheels and tires. Our suspension techs start coming in and removing the factory suspension parts. Don't forget, if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. We'll try to get back to every single one of them as soon as possible. What color wheels would you put on a white truck? Well, this customer decided to go with a black set of fill vectors. They come in a 17 by 8.5 positive 7 offset. We installed a set of 285 7017 RBP Repulsor RX MT tires on them. Tacoma has a previously installed TRD Pro style grill with TSS garnish. We do have these available in stock if you're interested in them. And here it is, completed. The 3-inch spacer lift is on the vehicle with new wheels and tires. We also include a free set of lug nuts whenever you purchase the lift package from us. This is definitely one of the most cost-effective ways to give your truck a new look. It gives it a new stance by lifting it 3 inches, gives it new wheels and tires. It's perfect and great for on-road use, and mild off-roading and mild terrain is okay. If you're looking for something for more articulation, we'd highly recommend going with some of our other suspension lifts. We hope that you're enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for our video and the channel itself, and it encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. Next up, we have this Toyota Tundra that's in for a spacer lift. This one's getting a 3-inch front strut spacer and also a 1.95-inch rear lift block. We're also throwing on some wheels and tires. We must never stop the way. We've been thinking about doing another giveaway. What do you guys want, or what do you guys think? Any suggestions? Please drop a comment down below and let us know. Maybe we'll make it happen. We also installed a set of fill vectors in a 17 by 8.5. This one's also matte black with some 33-inch tires. If you're interested in getting a larger tire, such as 34s or 35s, we do have Tundra packages with this lift and a body mount chop included to clear those size tires. Light is gonna come. The birds
have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when.
Next up, we have another Tundra. This one's getting an Icon lift setup installed.
Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah.
We're also installing a 35-inch tire setup, so this is the BMC that we did. We're installing some Method MR312s in a 17 by 8.5 with the 0 offset wheel, and we wrapped it up in a Toyo Open Country 35 12.5 17.
Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah. Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name. Grass green and so alive. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
We have another Tundra today. This one's coming in for a King's lift setup.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the
Fast forward, we removed his other suspension and upgraded him to King's.
let's go back to when trees were swung.
Installed a front and rear King's 2.5 remote reservoir setup with some cambered tubular uniball upper control arms. For the rear, we added some lift shackles.
I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk.
If you're interested in getting some work done by us, please give us a call or send us an email over to sales@88rotors.com. All of our contact information is in the description below. Well, that pretty much wraps it up for today's video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Turn on that notification bell also. That way you won't miss any of our daily videos.
searching for a longer day.